Rosemary oil is blowing up on TikTok and Google Trends. But does it really work for hair growth? Rosemary oil is trending like crazy, but is it fact or fiction? Why is rosemary oil a breakout topic? Over 5,000% spike in Google searches. More than 1.3 billion views on TikTok under #rosemary oil. Beauty influencers are calling it a natural miracle for hair loss and regrowth. Let's explore why it's become the holy grail in the natural hair care world. What science says about rosemary oil for hair growth. A 2015 study compared rosemary oil to minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine. After 6 months, both groups showed significant regrowth, but rosemary users experienced less scalp itching and side effects. That's huge for people with sensitive skin or natural scalps. Rosemary stimulates circulation in the scalp, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. It also fights off bacteria and inflammation that can block hair growth. But how does it compare to other natural oils? Compared to castor oil, rosemary is lighter and less greasy. Unlike tea tree oil, it doesn't dry out the scalp. It's one of the few oils backed by clinical trials for regrowth, not just scalp health. So if you're deciding between trendy oils, rosemary is the sweet spot of effective and gentle. 3 powerful ways to use rosemary oil. 1. Scalp massage serum. Mix 5 drops rosemary essential oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like jojoba or castor. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes, 3 times a week. 2. Herbal rinse. Boil a handful of rosemary sprigs in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Cool and pour over your scalp after shampooing. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing out. 3. Overnight pre-poo treatment. Mix rosemary oil with coconut oil and apply it the night before wash day. Cover with a bonnet and shampoo in the morning. Hair feels softer, stronger, and smells amazing. Real users are seeing results.
I've been using rosemary oil for 8 weeks and noticed new baby hairs growing in.
My edges were thinning post-pregnancy. This brought them back.
I didn't expect much, but my shedding has stopped completely.
Always remember, consistency is key. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't apply it undiluted. It's potent and can irritate your scalp. Always do a patch test, especially if you have sensitive skin. Don't expect instant results. Give it at least 4 to 6 weeks. Avoid using with heavy products that can clog your scalp on top. Myths about rosemary oil busted. It works overnight. False. Hair growth takes time and patience. More is better. Nope. A few drops is all you need. Overdoing it can cause buildup. It works for everyone. While many see success, results can vary based on genetics, hormones, and routine. Bonus tip. Supercharge your rosemary routine. Add 1 drop of peppermint essential oil to every tablespoon of your rosemary mix. Peppermint also boosts blood flow and gives a refreshing tingling sensation. Together, they create a powerhouse for follicle stimulation. You can even make a custom mix with 1 ounce carrier oil, 5 drops rosemary, and 2 drops peppermint for weekly use. Will it work for you? Here's the real deal. If you're consistent, gentle, and keep your scalp clean and nourished, you could start seeing results in 4-6 weeks. And in 3-6 months, some users report thicker hair, faster growth, and reduced shedding. Just don't quit too soon. Hair grows in cycles. Your scalp needs time to catch up. Have you tried rosemary oil? Drop your experience in the comments. What worked? What didn't? Let's help each other grow, literally. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly natural beauty breakdowns that actually work. And hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video on how to delay gray hair naturally.